Hello kids, how are you beta? In yesterday's video, we have learned some vegetables name. You know na, we have done vegetables name before this video. So today I'll revise some vegetables. So you tell me which vegetables you have at your home now. Like I have potato, tomato, onion, lemon, chili, capsicum, cauliflower and brinjal. So now I have only these vegetables. So you tell me how many vegetables you have. Count and tell me the names also. So today it is your homework. Now today we will do vegetable painting. Which activity we will do? Vegetable painting. And do you know which vegetable I'll use to paint? For vegetable painting, I'm using onion. Which vegetable I'm using? Onion. For this activity, you need a white sheet. I'm telling you again. For this activity, we need a white sheet, onion, and colors, watercolors. You can take one color, two color or three as you need or as you wish. Okay, so we will start. I'll tell you one thing more, that take onion, full onion, and then cut it into two pieces like this. I have done. Just take a knife and cut. Take help of your mama for this. Take onion and then take a knife and cut it into two pieces like this. Look at the shape. You can cut the onion in this shape only or any other shape. And then we use this onion and white sheet for vegetable painting. Do you know why we call it vegetable painting? Simple, because we are using in vegetable for the painting. So let's start. We need onion, white sheet and watercolors. And you know, if you don't have watercolors, you can make at home like sindoor. You can add some water on that, in that, and you can make a red color. And using haldi, you know na, turmeric. So use turmeric and add some water, make a liquid paste, and that is also can be used for the watercolor. So let's start. First, this is a white plain sheet. Now look at this plate. What we will do, take this onion and then do like this. We will use the color on this side. Okay, take the color, then take the colored onion and then paste it here like this. Look, I have made a flower. Again, repeat this process. Take the onion and make flower. And I also want to use pink color. So take pink color on the onion and paste. Just press. Take and just keep the onion here and press it. Yes, can you see? I have made 3 flowers, 2 green and 1 pink. So I'll make more pink flowers. You know, the onion shape is looking like a flower, and you know, you can take this opposite side also, like I am doing. Can you see? I have made so many flowers. Now I'll tell you, this is the way to make flowers. 2 ways. You can use this side, upside. You can use this side, and or you can do like this. One time you can take the onion straight, this small thinner side up and the thicker side down. जो पतली वाली साइड है वो आप ऊपर ले लीजिए और जो मोटे वाली है वो नीचे. एंड सेम इन दैट, इसमें हमने सिर्फ opposite किया है, उल्टा. So you can make flowers like this. Now again I'll make some flowers on another sheet. Like I'm doing. Now I'll make opposite flower like this. Just take the onion and press it nicely. Then we will use green color. Yes. And here also press it. Then you can take more colors, single, just take. Okay, can you see? It is looking very beautiful. Now I'll make there, you can make lines like this. Branches, these are branches. You can make like this, and can you see? It is looking like a plant or flowers. And we know that plant has leaves, so I'll make some leaves also. For making leaves, take help of your mother, and this painting will look beautiful. But I have made a leaf. We have made leaf. These are branches and these are leaves. So we are ready with our vegetable painting. Which painting is this? Vegetable painting, as we have used onion. Okay, now look. Now look at this. Isn't it as beautiful? Yes, it is looking very pretty and beautiful. And you know, you can use more vegetables, like you can use okra. That is ladyfinger. You know now, the new name of ladyfinger is okra. So you can use okra for vegetable painting. You can use potato. You can use capsicum for making different pattern. And you can use onion or any vegetable that you have that is available at your home. But onion is best because it has a very good shape. You can see, look, this is looking like a beautiful plant, flower plant, and it has two colors flower. One is pink and one is green. I have used two colors, which green and pink. I hope you like this and you will try this at home. So send me the photos. Bye bye.